Good morning, guys. It's currently 8:30 in the morning, and you already know what I'm doing. I'm already dressed up for it, so I'm gonna go meet up with my boys. I'll introduce you guys to them once I get there. You know how I'm gonna get the day started. All right. Man, you know what I forgot? To pump my tires. I gotta go back to the house. Follow me. I can't go riding without for my tires being pumped. I mean, reach for the keys. I knew I was missing something, and I knew I forgot to do something last night. Oh. Where is my pump? Got the pump. Running late, as usual. All right, we're set, ready to go. Let's get out of here. Good morning once again, guys. I just want to start off the day by saying thank you so much to everyone that's subscribed to my channel so far, and if you still haven't, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel so you can see what I've been doing. For me, it's hard to wake up in the morning, and I have to find a reason, and I should be finding a reason to wake up because I'm on my own schedule. You know, that's one of the great things about living this kind of lifestyle, being an entrepreneur, and just kind of being on your own schedule and not having someone to tell you, you know, you have to wake up at a certain time. But one of the things that I've been struggling with is actually waking up in the morning and figuring out what to do. I appreciate my friends finding the time to do this, an outdoor activity, because I love being outdoors, as you can tell by my hiking videos and my travel leisures. I've been fortunate enough to be able to do that for myself. I wouldn't change my lifestyle for it. I wouldn't change anything to give that up. I'm trying to get to that stage in my life where I'm trying to wake up early, and today I woke up at 7 o'clock. I went back to bed for a little bit. You know, we're hitting that snooze button. If you don't hit that snooze button, good for you. I'm on my way. We're gonna go cycle. I think we're doing about 20 miles. I started off 2 weeks ago, and it has been a long time since I went riding, and the first day back I did 30 miles and my legs paid for it. So hopefully it's not like that again today. I'm trying to get back into the routine of cycling. So I'm meeting up with my friends TG and Justin. We're heading towards Redrock. We're gonna do a big loop out there. Hopefully I don't get wrecked from it. TG, look at this guy. Got a 2018 new model Quattro RS5. Mr. Rich Guy over here. Let's see this new bike of yours. So guys, this is my boy Thomas.
What up, what up?
He's the one that told me to get up early today, so.
I've done 60 miles this week.
Oh shit, damn, he crushed me. Look at that. Brand new, no used, brand new used. I like it.
I think it might be just us two. I haven't got a hold of Hibbert, but he...
Alright, what up, squad? Taking a break. We're at the 15-mile mark. Currently 10:30 in the morning. That currently 15.8 miles. All right, we're gonna get back on the road. Yo. So TJ and I decided to stop by Bonnie Springs, check out this little bar area. It's pretty cool. My legs are halfway done. How you feeling? You wanted to ride today with me, right? Alright, update. Oh, 23 exact. 2 hours. There's a peacock right there. We're in the petting zoo area. Do you mind refilling us some water and ice, or is there somewhere we can do that? Oh, thank you so much. You're awesome. Just water and ice, please.
We got 10 more miles to go.
This was our extra mile, actually. This has been a good day. It's almost, I think it's past 11, but it's been a great ride so far. Took a little break here at Bonnie Springs because we needed to refuel on water, but we're gonna get back on the bike. So come back here for lunch and come see you again. All right, so we just left the bar. We're gonna drop back on our bikes, getting back on the road. Look how cute this is. Back in one piece. It's already 12:30. 34.6 miles. 3-hour ride. Scorching 94 degrees. We're gonna grab some lunch. Transition. Here, TJ, you can take over the vlog. Tell me your experience, first time riding with me.
Well, Stan is what they call Mighty Mouse. He is not the biggest guy, but he is jacked, and he can sure ride. And his bike just fits in his rich ass car.
Yeah, you got a rich car.
Are we the rich riders?
S5. RS5, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you don't forget the R, bro. John Cutter's, for anyone who's never tried it, it's a really amazing spot in Summerlin. They do half-off steaks at happy hour. Great spot.
I am sweating balls right now.
You heard that here, folks. He is sweating balls and taking a long time to get inside of a nice, cool place.
I know, sorry, I'm taking my time. Great ride, man. 12:30.
That's the fourth ride.
Yeah.
Stopping at Bonnie Springs.
Yeah, that was a cool spot.
That extra mile going uphill sucked.
Lunchtime, we're gonna eat at John Cutter's.
Yo! Stan films everything.
What up?
You get the sickest stuff from it.
Yeah, dude, we got some sick photos today.
You get some sick photos, you get some sick videos.
Yeah.
Next time we go, we pulled into Bonnie Springs and they have like a dope bar in there and you can go refill your water, like if you're hungry, get food, get a beer even if it was cooler out, like yeah, it's sick, and it's at the very end of the, it's like kind of at the end of the ride, so it's a nice little break. I've done 80 miles this week.
Bro, he's crushing it, man.
Might change your life. We're starting a movement, bro.
Hell yeah.
People are trying to get me to rage last night. I was like, nah, I gotta be up early to ride.
Yeah, being responsible, man. Finally. Food's ready. Yes. Ready to grow. We made it to Handels, visiting the homie Patrick Frank.
What up, what up?
Yo, what up?
Oh man.
Good to get the VIP tour? Yo, this is the man right here.
This is his new job, really.
We're getting a back VIP tour of Handels ice cream right now with the homie.
Pineapple.
Oh.
Summertime flavor. Man, what have you been doing lately, man?
Vlogging.
This guy's like the next Lance Armstrong.
That's good.
You ride it a lot, huh?
No, this is my second day riding.
Oh wow, that's cheesecake.
Yeah,
Cookie dough's a good one.
Cookie dough. Yeah,
That's the
see
stuff
Frank's
right
hooking
there.
it up. I don't normally eat a lot of ice cream, so when I do, I only eat
you
yours.
bike like 40 miles, right?
Yeah, I'm fucking like 34 today. 30.
Oh, this is in fucking 100-degree weather.
Yeah, no shit.
Love it. If you guys live in Las Vegas, Handels is a spot. Go see my boy Patrick Frank. No, this is one cookie dough and strawberry cheesecake. Bomb. Thank you, Patrick Frank. Always hooking it up. I'm not a big fan of ice cream, but his ice cream is amazing.
Well, make sure you hit me up. You come back.
We will. Thank you, bro.
All right, guys.
Alright, love you, brother. Thank you. Have a good one. Handles, really good ice cream. Alright, guys, that concludes the video. I hope you guys really like what you guys saw. Oh man, my throat. Anyways, I've been a little bit behind on editing videos, so hopefully you guys forgive me. I know it's like already September, but these videos have been kind of, I'm a little bit behind, so just bear with me. Anyways, I did forget to record an ending for this one, but like I said, I mean, if you guys like the video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you guys like something, give me a comment, show me some love, let me know what you guys think. I got some more content that's coming out, so please enjoy it. And like I said, shout out to Patrick Frank for hooking it up as always with ice cream. TG, you're the best. Let's do more rides. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.